Good morning, student. Today we will solve exercise 2.4 from chapter 2 of class 9th. And the name of chapter is polynomial. And first and second question we have discussed, and now move to question number third. And what is your question number third? Find the value of k. Means you have to find out this value of k if what we have to find out? The value of k if x minus 1 is factor of px. X minus 1, and you know very well, we have done in previous class, if x minus a is factor of px, what you said that then pa equal to 0. Pa equal to 0. From where we get a? When we put x minus a equal to 0, if we will put x minus a equal to 0, then the value of x which is equal to a, this a we will obtain by putting x minus a equal to 0, same as if x minus a is factor of px, then p1 equal to 0. And how we will obtain p1? Then put x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, and p, if x minus 1 is factor of px, then what will be answer? p1 equal to 0. p1 is equal to 0 means we have to put the value of x which is equal to 1 in given polynomial. Px is the polynomial which is equal to 2x square plus kx and plus root 2. And now p here is 1 equal to 2. What we will put? 1 square 2 x is equal to 1. Here is x is equal to 1. Plus k, and we will put 1 plus root 2. P1 equal to 0. Why will P1 equal to 0? Why this one? P1 equal to 0 because x minus 1 is factor of px. P1 equal to 0 equal to 2. 1 square is equal to 1 plus k into 1. K plus root 2. Here is 2 1 2. Then 2 plus k and plus root 2 equal to 0. Find the value of k. To find k, we have to keep k on left side, another will transfer to the right hand side. And when we transfer to the right hand side, the sign will change. Here is minus 2, here is minus root 2. Then what is your value of k? Minus is common. What is that? 2 plus root 2. And this is the value of k. The value of k is equal to minus bracket 2 plus root 2 if x minus 1 is factor of this one. In this way we can find out the value of k if any linear polynomial is a factor of cubic or quadratic polynomial. Means we have to apply the factor theorem. If x minus a is factor of px, then pa equal to 0. If pa equal to 0, then x minus a is factor of px. This is the factor theorem. By factor theorem we can find out the value of k. And do the remaining part of this question. And we will do other question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Factorize. I am taking two examples. First, x square minus 3x plus 2, and second is 3x square minus 5x minus x or minus 2, and factor. Here is the quadratic polynomial quadratic polynomial means degree of polynomial which is equal to 2, then it form a quadratic polynomial, and factor of quadratic polynomial, if we will express in form of linear polynomial, then the factor of quadratic polynomial will have maximum 2 linear polynomial as a factor. Linear polynomial, only 2 linear polynomial will be factor of this quadratic polynomial. And now how we can factor? By splitting middle term. Factorize by splitting middle term. By splitting middle term. Here are 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms are there and 3 is the middle term. First part, x square minus 3x plus 2. And standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Our main purpose is we have to multiply a by c. Multiply a by c. And what is the sign? Plus. Put plus. And what is left is now c, b is left plus c. Here we have to multiply 2 multiply 2 1. It means multiply 2 1 ja 2. 2 multiply 1 into 2 2. Here is plus answer, and this will be left. Need not to write minus. We have to factor of this number 2. Factor of 2. What is the possible factor of 2? 1 and 2. Factor of 2, 1 and 2. We have to write the factor of the value which we obtain after multiplication. The number which we obtain after multiplication, we have to find out the factors of that number. It means factor of 2 will be in form of 1 and 2. Only 2 factors are there. Therefore, it is very simple question. It means we have to find out the 2 number in such a way that their product is 2. Their product is 2 and their sum is 3. It means there are only 2 number whose product is 2 and sum is 3. It means the number are 2 and 1. Then we have to write this 3x in form of 2x plus, first we write larger number. It is better. Here is 3x. We will write in form of 2x plus this 3x. It means 3x. We will write in form, first is 2x plus x, which is equal to 3x. This 3 is split. This 3 is split in what form? 2x plus x in this form. This is the middle term. This is the middle term. And it is split into 2 into 2x plus x. Another will same. What is the meaning of other? X square. We have to write x square. Here is the sign minus. And this 3x is already break. And what is that? Plus, and here is 2. If there is a negative sign before the bracket, when we open the bracket, the sign will change. And here is plus, plus minus, minus x square, minus 2x, and here is plus and minus, plus minus, minus, here is x, and this is plus 2. Minus, before the bracket, if the sign will be a minus, then we have to change the sign. Plus change into minus, minus change into plus. Or we can replace, here is plus, plus minus, minus, plus minus. And here we will make the pair. And now taking common from x first 2 term and common from last 2 term. If you can find the common, then you can do. Otherwise, first we will try to find the common. First, what is common? Here is x square, here is 2x. What is common? X is 1, x is power 2. What is common? X is common. And what is left? Here is how many x? 2x. It means we can write x square mean x into x minus 2x minus x plus 2. What is this? X is common. So what is common? X is common. And what is left at here? X. What is left? Minus. What is left? 2. And here is 1. And between these two terms, what is common? 1 and 2 is also 1 as a factor. So what is common? 1. If here is minus, then you have to put sign minus. If it is here is plus, then you have to put plus. And common is 1. Then if the common factor is 1, then there is no change in the numerical value. Only sign will change if here is minus. Then it is minus, then it will be right. Plus, here is plus, we will write minus. And both should be same. Both should be same. These are the factors. But we will not write this step during the solution. In exam, you will not write this step. You will write direct. What is this? X minus 2, x minus 2 is common. X minus 2 is common. If this is common, then what is left at here? If we take outside, it is common, remove it, what is left now? X, and this is common, take outside, and what is left? Minus, and this is 1, x minus 1. These are the factor of x square minus 3x plus 2. Please don't write this step in exam. This is not compulsory. Otherwise, I will explain in another way. And now second question we will do. Here is A. What is A? A is equal to 3, B is equal to, not to do this by A. And you know, this multiplied to this. 3 multiplied to, need not to take sign, minus, multiply. 3 multiplied to 6. And what is this sign? Minus. We have to write this sign at here. If it is plus, and we have to write plus. If it is minus, we have to write minus. Minus. And here is 1. We have to write here is 1. And now the factor of 6. Here is factor of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Out of these 4 numbers, we have to choose 2 numbers in such a way that their product is 6. Their product is 6. Their product is 6 and the difference is 1. Or you can do by any method. Need not to write this factor. It means you have to find out 2 numbers such that their product is 6 and difference is 1. So what is the possible? 2 numbers, product is 6. 1 multiply 6. Their product is 6, but difference 6 minus 1 is not equal to 2, 1. And 3 into 2, 3 into 2. So it means 3 into 2. 3, 2. Their product is 6 and the difference is 1. 3 into 2, 6. And 3 minus 2, 1. So it means the 2 values is 3 and 2, whose product is 6 and difference is 1. Then we have to split this one. Here is 1. Then 1, how we have to write? 3x minus 2x. Why we have to subtract? Because here is difference. Difference of these 2 numbers is 1. 3x minus 2x. First we write the larger value. Here we will break 3x, here is minus, here is 2x, and put bracket. Why here is sign minus? here is minus, and write other remaining value. And what is the remaining value will be 3x square, and here is minus 2. And now here is minus, that means sign will change. Then what is your answer? 3x square minus, or you can change the position. Here is minus, here is plus, plus minus, minus, here is minus and minus, plus, and here is 2x and minus 2. And now what is common? This and this. Now write here 3x square minus 3x. Here is 3. First we write 3x square and upon 3x. Or you write what? 3x into x minus 3x. What is common? X is same, it is cut, and 3 is same, it is cut. The value which is same and I cut it, that means 3 is common in between these two terms and x is common between these two terms. It means what is common? One is 3, other is x. So common is 3 and x, and now put bracket. Here is 3 and x is common. What is left? X is left. And now what is left here? Minus. Here is 3x is common. Now nothing is left. When nothing is left, we have to write 1. And here is sign plus. And here is 2 minus 2. What is common? 2 and 2. The common factor is 2. 2x minus 2x. 2 is common. So what is common is 2. And bracket, what is left here? X minus, and 2 is cut. If nothing is left, then you have to write 1. This is same. We have to write the repeated or the same number only one time. Then what is your answer? X minus 1. And what is left? 3x minus 1 is written. What is left? 3x. Here is plus. And what is this? 2. And what is this? It is written. Now again check it. What is this? X minus 1, x minus 1. X minus 1 is common. And now start from here. 3x, bracket, 3x. Here is x minus 1, which is written. And plus. Now write plus. Here is 2. And x minus 1 is written. It means these are the factor of this 3x square minus x minus 2. And in this way we can find out the factor. And one method I will explain, but that one is not your syllabus. For MCQ, or if the question, it take very less time, means not important according to the examination point of view, and that will be discussed when the syllabus will over. First part, second part. So your homework is 2.4, question number 3rd and 4 complete. Homework is 2.4, question number 3rd and 4 with example.